मैं तुम्हारी सहायता के बगैर नहीं चल सकता. I can't do anything without your help. If you're thinking that I can do anything without your help, that's not true. I can do anything. I don't need anyone's help in my life. इंग्लिश की बात तो छोड़िए, वो ठीक से हिंदी भी नहीं बोल पाती. Let alone English. She can't even speak Hindi well. If you're talking about her, she is not very fluent in Hindi. How can you think about he can speak fluently in English in front of everyone? You have to forget this type of thoughts. Because let alone English, she can't speak even Hindi well. How can you expect that she can speak fluently English? मुझे क्षमा करें, मैं आ नहीं पाऊँगा. I'm sorry, I won't be able to come. Yeah, I'm very busy today, so I'm sorry I won't be able to come. If I am free, then I will. I'm sure. मेरे स्वभाव में बात नहीं है कि मैं किसी के प्रति अपने मन में दुष्भाव रखूं. I am temperamentally incapable of having grudge for anyone. Yeah, I'm not that type of person who keep grudge for anyone. No, I don't have enough time to doing that type of things. I don't take it in my mind. If something happened with me, I forgot about that. So I'm temperamentally incapable of having grudge for anyone. मैं कभी भी नृत्य में अच्छा नहीं रहा हूँ. I have never been good in dancing. If you ask me to dance, so I thought that I should tell you this, that I have never been good in dance. So just let this thought that I can do dance with you. I cannot be able to do this. मैंने इसको खिसकाने की कोशिश की किंतु कर नहीं पाया. I tried to move it but I could not. Yeah, so many times I tried to move it but I cannot be able to do this. If you can, then please help me. I need your help. Otherwise, please shut up. Don't say anything because I am not here to listen you. You can be able to do this. Move it. So please just move this. And otherwise, just go from here. And please shut your mouth. मैं पहली बार में ड्राइविंग टेस्ट में सफल नहीं हो पाया. I was not able to pass the driving test at the first time. So why don't you worry about this? Nobody in this world who passed the exam for the first time. So many people fail so many times in their life. Why are you so worried and why are you take it for your heart? Just forget about it. If you are fail, even I am not be able to pass the driving test for the first time, so it's not the big deal. Just forget about it. Do it next time, maybe. Otherwise, we'll do it next time and it will happen. Trust me, because practice make a man perfect. You have to trust this type of line and don't lose your patience.